right, let's go over number 8. This student put a box 2 by 2. They multiplied. Correct. There's a mistake. Here, these terms would cancel. This would equal 0x. So you should just have 4x squared minus 1. Let's take a look at this one. Interesting. This one has the correct answer, and they kind of made a box here. I'll kind of show you their box. Wow, kind of lazy. You could just make a box for us. Come on. 4x cubed. What is that? Negative x. Whoa. 4 times 4 is 8? Oh, man. Oh, man. So like this. 4x squared minus 1, 4x cubed, negative x, 16x squared, negative 4. Raise your hand if you got this as your answer. Good job. Let's look at number 15. So in that problem, all you were asked to do is determine the product of the 3 linear factors. These are all linear because the x's are to the first power. Verify graphically the expressions are equivalent. The graph of the original expression is the same as the graph of the final expression. Nice. All right, let's look at number 15. Okay, good. This student said x plus 5 squared is x plus 5 times x plus 5. This is correct, and then you're just distributing, right? 7x cubed, 70x squared, 7 quarters is 175. The graphs are the same. Nice. Let's look at the students. Multiplied x plus 5 times x plus 5, so good. That becomes x squared plus 10x plus 25 is correct. Look at this. The student drew another box just for 7x is perfectly fine. That's really what distributing is, multiplying. It's correct. Good job. Let's look at number 16. Now, what this student did is I normally do that too, is you just take x squared plus 1, and they drew the box right below it. And then 8 minus x, so you're multiplying 8x squared is 8. X squared times negative x is negative x cubed. And that becomes negative x. Now, although the student has the correct answer down here, I would probably circle that and get a 3 out of 4. Write it in descending order, negative x cubed, x squared. This should be negative x, and then, well, positive 8. Descending order means the exponents to the third, to the second, to the first, and then this is x to the 0. Let's take one more look at another student. Now, what I like about this one is the student made a sketch of the graph. And if you actually graph both of these, they should be the same. So let me show you. Let's look at this student's. X squared plus 1, 8 minus x, zoom 6. Okay, that's the first graph, right? Let's type in their answer and see what happens. Negative x cubed plus 8x squared minus x. They wrote minus 8. Looks the same. Let's see if I do zoom 6. Let's change our window. You see how the graph's not the same? Do you see it?
Yeah.
And that accounts for that minus 8. Let's look at one more student. X squared, 8, negative x cubed, negative x is correct. So the box is correct, but this is not correct over here. Do you see that? This is not a like term, so there should have been negative x cubed plus 8x squared. They combine these two, which you don't. They're not like terms. That was correct. That was wrong.